everyone, welcome to the Curious Science Kid. In today's video, we're gonna perform the bouncing bubble experiment. The ingredients needed are dishwashing soap, sugar, a straw or anything that's tubular, glycerin, a bowl with water, and a woolen glove. So let's start the experiment. First, I'm taking some dish soap and I'm gonna put it in this water. Stir it well until the dishwashing liquid gets dissolved properly. Okay. Now I'm gonna take some sugar. Just add a bit of it. And stir it well until the sugar gets dissolved completely. Now dissolve the solution completely. Okay. Now I'm going to add some glycerin. Only some is enough. Okay. Now stir the solution well till the glycerin gets dissolved. Now we have made the bouncing bubble solution. Okay, now let's try it out. Wear this woolen glove. Take a straw. Dip it. For more interesting science videos, like and subscribe the Curious Science Kid.